Hi kids. Kids, in this video we will press A, B, C, D, A into Z. Let's start. Colors name: blue, green, red, orange, brown, sky blue, violet, pink, black, light pink, green, orange color, red color, A, B, green color, C, D, yellow color, E, F, pink color, G, H, blue color, I, J, black color, A, L, yellow color, M, N, blue color, O, E, green color, Q, R, pink color, S, T, red color, U, V, W, X, black color, Y, Z. Kids, read again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Kids, thanks for watching. Like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.